Hello and welcome to the Football Association of Wales for the FAW third round Welsh Cup draw. I'm delighted that the Wales team manager Chris Coleman is with us for the draw today, and also Matthew Jones, the former Wales international who played in the 2007-2008 final for Llanelli. Some numbers to look out for. Number 14, Chepstow Town. They're the lowest ranked team left in the competition. They're a Welsh League Division 3 club, so level 4 of the FAW pyramid. Number 15 are the current champions, the New Saints. And number 20 are Prestatyn Town, who are currently top of the Corbett Sports Welsh Premier League. Chris will draw the home clubs and Matthew will draw the away clubs. And in the middle is John Harris, the chairman of the FAW Domestic Committee. Okay, Chris.
Personnel, number 11.
And that's Avonlido, the 2007 runners-up.
Will play number 20.
And they will play Prestatyn Town.
Number 8
is Newtown.
Play number 1.
And they'll play Kevin Druids, the runners-up from last year.
Number 25
is Bangor City, Neville Powell's side that have won 3 successive titles since 2008.
Will play number 19.
And they'll play at Nantporth against Aberdare Town.
Number 10
is Holyhead Hotspur.
Number 3.
And they will play the 2006-07 champions Carmarthen.
Number 22
is Gwalchmai from the Welsh Alliance League.
Will play number 14.
And they will play Chepstow Town.
Number 15
The New Saints, the current champions.
Will play 23.
And they will play Conwy Borough.
Number 18
That's Barry Town.
Will play 29.
And they will play Ely Rangers from the Welsh League Division 2.
Number 5
Number 5 is Gap Connors Key.
Will play number 6.
And they will play Llanelli.
Number 17
Number 17 is Airbus UK.
Will play 13.
And they will play Port Talbot Town.
Number 30
That's Aberystwyth Town.
Play number 9.
And they're at home to Rill Football Club.
Number 4
Number 4 is Flint Town United.
Will play number 2.
And they will play Llanidloes Town, who beat Caersus in the last round.
Number 32
That's Holywell Town. Came from 3 behind in the last round against Llandudno.
Number 16.
And they will play Goitre United or Caira Ely.
Number 21
That's Pontardawy Town or Tom Pentra.
Number 12.
And they will play Caira FC or Goitre from Gwent.
and number 28
Is Monmouth Town.
Will play 27.
And they will play Bala Town, last year's semi-finalists.
Number 7
Llanrug United of the Welsh Alliance.
Will play 24.
And they will play West End from the Welsh League.
Hey, good Swansea team, West End. Number 26
And 26 is Llandudno Junction.
Will play the final ball 31.
And they're at home to Cambroyne and Clydach or Haverfordwest County. And that concludes the draw. The ties are to be played on the weekend of the 8th and 9th of December. Thank you, gents.
Thank you.
Thank you.